Hello everyone, this is the LONGi Jiaxing Lighthouse Factory. I am Xiaozhi, the tour guide and also an AGV. Today I will take you to review the series of photovoltaic products in this lighthouse factory, from manufacture to delivery to customers' hands, and end-to-end high-quality delivery. We are unable to ensure efficient production without a smart brain. The LONGi Lighthouse Factory hides the first AI production calculation system in the photovoltaic industry, which can ensure the accuracy of order requirements and scientifically arranges daily production plans, so that we can ensure precise delivery while improving quality and efficiency. The core competitiveness of lighthouse factories is automation production. At LONGi Lighthouse Factory, the automation rate has reached over 90%. Which has solved the 7 major automation problems in the industry. With the support of black technologies, such as AI vision technology and industrial robots, the production modes can be intelligently switched. As a result, a truly flexible automated production line has been created. There is black technology in production and quality inspection. LONGi Lighthouse Factory has achieved the industry's first full process AI quality inspection. Each process of the product on the assembly line undergoes the most detailed physical examination. If a problem is found, the AI examination doctor can trace the source within 16 seconds, solve quality abnormalities in the first time, and achieve closed-loop management of the problem. Have you seen these employees who perform their own duties and cooperate well? Intelligent human resources management and black technology are indispensable. Look out, the warning sign is on. Don't worry, we'll be there soon. The digital OEE system has transformed the actual production efficiency of each production line and equipment into clear and transparent data. By combining data analysis, predictive maintenance and intelligent dispatch can be carried out. The factory management can be entrusted to it, which is both worry-free and labor-saving. Intelligent black technology and digital warehouse management platform are essential for warehousing and logistics, with precise control over logistics allocation and improved warehouse utilization. From the manufacture to delivery of products, intelligent manufacturing and digitalization provide protection for every product. Under its arrangement, high-quality products depart calmly from here and meet customers from all over the world. Xiaozhi is waiting for you at LONGi Lighthouse Factory. Looking forward to meeting you soon.
LONGi